don't overcommit. It is something that we've seen time and time and time again. And it's something that I want us to stamp out on. I do expect that he's going to start Gnonto again from the bench. I think he's going to use him more of an impact player. Hopefully he'll get him on the pitch a little bit earlier than he has done in previous games. And he has said that he's tried to protect him a little bit more because he is a young player, and we can't just stick all the pressure of the club on that one player as a 19-year-old and expect him to come up with the goods every single game. Doesn't work like that.